Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from PrizePicks to bank account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're gonna be doing is simply gonna go ahead and access your PrizePicks app and make sure you're signed in as well. Now you can see you can simply request a withdrawal to any approved bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account. So now withdrawing and deposit acts the same. It has to be the same method where you're depositing and withdrawing from. To request a withdrawal, simply navigate to the menu located in the top left corner of the PrizePicks app, and then from there simply tap on Request Withdrawal. You will receive a OTP code by email as soon as you request a withdrawal. No further action is needed on your part. They will send you an email to let you know if the withdrawal was successful or not. Once you have gone to request withdrawal, you're gonna go ahead and enter the money. So you're gonna choose from Venmo, PayPal, and Apple Pay or debit card. You're going to choose the option bank. Once you choose your bank account and the account you would like to transfer to your money, you simply go ahead, add the amount, and confirm it. Once it has been confirmed, you will receive an email from them to confirm that the withdrawal has been successful. In case you were not being able to withdraw, that means you must have reached your limit of withdrawing for that day. After 24 hours, you can request another withdrawal, or you have entered less amount than it has added, shown, or more amount than it has showed. Make sure to add the correct amount. Make sure to check the correct account information as well. If you have checked all of that, you shall be able to withdraw to your bank account likewise. That's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.